Hello, this is Michael Jelleberg, and I'm going to show you a comparison shot between a 12-gauge shotgun and a .357 Magnum rifle shooting 38 special bullets. This is the 12-gauge shotgun with a 2 3/4 inch loaded with 6-shot. You may now point at our first target on the left, McAdams bottle number 1.
Jesus Christ.
Done.
Now you're in the...
And this is the aftermath of that shotgun blast at a range of 5 yards. That's it. Now, this is a comparison shot with a .357 Magnum rifle loaded with a 38 special handgun round with a 130 grain full metal jacket bullet.
Dropped it. Oh, yeah, that's it. Well, which one we're on when the other one is off?
No, they're both on, it's just one is.
Okay. I think yours rear mic or, Oh, you filming? Sorry.
Yeah, I'll take mine medium rare. I like it bleeding.
Okay. Yeah.
And since the comparison shot, the 38 special, would have done considerable damage to a human body, it would not replicate the damage that, well, this weapon will do. So what the hell, let's do it again for fun.
Oh, he just dropped it. What the hell is he gonna put?
Well, I missed, but it still goddamn killed it. Okay, now this is an experiment in which we take an old microwave, fill it full of metal, and then start it up in the middle of a rainstorm. And then we're going, after it starts sparking, we're going to shoot it first with a .357 Magnum, but the first bullet's an actual .357. This thing's going to do some damage. Then again with the shotgun. So let's see what happens, ladies and gentlemen.
Right.
We may start.
It quit already. I think he killed it.
Oh,
You already killed it.
before I shot it. That sucked.
She said it's not hot anymore.
That'll do her.
Holy God. Hey, there's first shot was right here, yeah, right? You killed it. That shot right there.
It's a headshot! Look at that! You can't get better than a headshot!
Who said this is gonna explode?
Well, we failed that one, but we still won by killing it.
And we can kill it more later.
Hey, wait. Should we see if it plugs back in? We can start it again?
Did we?
I think she's done at this point.
She's dead, dude.
She's done.
Dead, Jim.
It's like, down, motherfucker, down, motherfucker, down, motherfucker, down, motherfucker.
Way to make a mess in his backyard.
Well, she's going to the fire pit.
We're all things gonna die.
Yeah, everything goes to
We're all
die.
good appliances.
Yeah. We are now going to experiment with Lincoln Mark V Continental from '79 and smash it into a television to see what exactly it will do. So,
Oh, he's down.
You all go there and do that. Holy shit! That was fucking cool.
didn't eat the fucker.
Well, yeah. TV, not so much.
Well, it didn't hurt the television either.
Oh, shoved it straight. Fucking
You scratched it.
Wait, I bent it a little bit on the
no,
side.
this side.
Oh yeah! We did some good damage at very low speed. Didn't hurt the Lincoln at all.
I say we
But we're gonna try
push
to
that lawnmower out of the way and we fucking give her hell. Well, we out front of the road and then like in the front of you, really. This is Stuntman Jelleberg. He's attempting to hit the TV at higher speeds this time. Hopefully cause a little more damage and a little more chaos. And here we go. little bit there.
Oh, I scuffed her a little bit. Oh, I hurt the link. Jesus Christ.
That was worth it. Oh, it's totally worth it. It's dead. What's a smirking? This is a spine end.
Oh, and of course the Lincoln, it got scratched.
What was that? Your take on that then?
Well, I think in a demo derby between a television set and a Lincoln Continental, I think it may be a safe bet that the Lincoln might win.
There you go.
A 65% to 35% chance of victory.
Lincoln will win in a TV versus Lincoln match.